Do you want to make a Reels with photos on Facebook? You can create Reels with pictures with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a Reel with photos on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Create button and select the Reel option from the dropdown. Now you will see all the pictures and videos from your device's gallery. At the top of the screen, tap on the Select Multiple option. Browse through your photos and select the multiple pictures you want to add to your Reel. After selecting the photos, tap the Next button. Next, select Music and tap the Next button again. Now you are on the editing screen. Here, you can rearrange photos, adjust timing, add text, stickers, music, filters, or effects. Once your Reel is ready, tap the Next button again. On the next screen, add a caption, hashtags, or any additional details you want. Finally, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen. Your photo Reel will now be posted on Facebook and visible to your followers.